Ladies and gentlemen, why the hell am I filming this video so early in the morning after market open? Well, exciting news. Well, at least to me, because I did predict this thing and nobody has ever talked throughout this dump to you. So what the hell is this? Well, it confirmed outstanding shares for Mara has changed from 222 million literally yesterday to 267 million shares. Yes, they did dump on you guys 45 million shares throughout this move, and I was screaming about it. Well, I'm not gonna say that, but we were talking about that. I was talking about this right from the get-go once they filed this. Let me show you. They reported earnings right here, and pre-market right here, they announced shelf offering. What is shelf offering? Well, they can sell little by little whenever they want. It's on the shelf. They are clear with SEC, and it has to be filed way ahead of time for the SEC to approve it. And what a coincidence. They filed it way earlier, and it got approved right after earnings, and they started dumping it somewhere right here, pretty big chunk, somewhere right here, pretty big chunk, yesterday, pretty big chunk, and somewhere right here. How do I know this? Because there's this, well, I was showing it to you guys too, but again, it's not 100% of the volume that was reported every single day, but I did notice the change. Hallelujah. Thanks for my penny stock trading career background. When I started, this was normal thing to check every single time. Offering was never good news for any stock. I don't care what's the catalyst. There's always this story. Well, Bitcoin was making new high, right? And it is still near its all-time high, but miners was dumping. So back to this point. So how the hell I noticed that it was not short sellers attacking this name to bring it down? Well, pay attention to these outstanding shorts, basically from the volume that it was reported. Again, I'll have to elaborate for people who are watching for the first time. There are exchanges who report short volume every single day after market close. Okay, CBOE doesn't report, and I'm just judging it by the volume that reported by these exchanges for the rest of the exchanges. That's why these volumes may not match the daily total volume, but I know just by looking at this data right here that short volume in a daily came down significantly from 60s all the way to 30s, 40s. That's a significant change. And I noticed this. And what did I do? Well, I told you guys that, hey, it is not short sellers who are trying to bring the stock down. It is literally them dumping you shares. And exactly that's what happened. So they dumped the shares. What I'm watching from here. And yesterday there was a pretty decent flow for 27 call and put, long dated. I'm not going to show it to you, but you can go check January 27th. I believe they sold 27 call and they bought 27 put, pretty big contract. But what I'm noticing today, there was a big order in the morning that came in for 27.50 call, and it could be covered call as well, but it could be just a call as well, just naked call. But so far, I'm believing that March 22nd, ultra short dated, 1,290 contracts at $1.79. Again, it's not significant, but what I'm watching for the stock. So yesterday I was watching these levels, 23 pre-market. So today stock gapped up, and if you are a day trader, you know this is not a good news to dilute you, to basically divide your shares that you are holding. Whatever you are holding is now worth 25-30% less. So $22 level, well, yesterday it was a support. Today we will see what it does, but so far it's breaking below it. It can definitely stay in the range, stay from 22 all the way to 23. But right below, yesterday I forgot to mention that we do have a support somewhere around $20. So I'm gonna switch to daily chart. You can see on a daily chart, let me just remove all this so we don't get distracted. Back right here when it was breaking out, okay, let me go a little bit further. So if we take a look at it here, $20 level, $20 level resistance, $20 level support, $20 level resistance. So I will be watching right here 20 as a support. But if it cracks, it's coming straight back down to its 200-day moving average. What is 200-day moving average right here right now? Let me bring it up. It is going to be $14.75, $15. Can it come down to this level despite all the crypto craze that is going on out there? Absolutely. If it doesn't matter what BTC does, because they're directly right here dumped on you guys 45 million shares right here. Why would they dump it here? Because of liquidity, because of demand. When everybody was emotional about this stock going to 50, 60, doubling, tripling by the halving, they dumped on you guys. Who knows better? Management knows better. So I don't want to make this video too long, but you guys know we talked about this one, and these are the levels I'm watching for Mara. Thanks for watching. See you in the next update, and don't forget to subscribe.